Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to clear RAM cache without using any third-party software in Windows computer. So without more delay, let's begin. So here I will show you two ways how you can do it. So the first method is just click on the Windows Start menu icon and just click on this power button. And now just select this restart to restart your computer, and after restart the RAM cache will be get cleared. So this is the first method, and the second method is just right mouse click on any blank area of your desktop screen, and now just click on this new. And now just select the shortcut. Now here you need to add the program path locations. So just paste the program path locations, which I'll be providing in the video description. Just right mouse click on here and click on paste. And now click on next. Now you can give any name, whichever name you want to give. And once you're done, click on this finish. Now it will create a program shortcut to clear your RAM cache. Now just double click on it, then it will clear the RAM cache of your respective Windows computer. So by using these two methods, you can easily clear RAM cache without using any third-party software in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.